Everybody, welcome to GIS E-Pathshala, Grade 9, Social Science Politics. Our topic is democracy. What is democracy? Why democracy? So now in these previous lectures we studied about the democracy, definition of democracy, features of democracy. From that finally what we came to know that democracy is not a golden key. Democracy is not a golden key. Democracy cannot give us everything. Democracy cannot give us everything and is not the solution of all the problems. Democracy is not the solution of all the problems. But it is better than the other alternatives. So democracy is considered to be the best form of government. So democracy is considered to be the best form of government, and we understood democracy as a form of government in this topic. As you know, in democracy, all people do not rule. All people do not rule. A majority is having the or allowed to take decision on behalf of the people. A majority is allowed to take decision on behalf of the people. And even the majority is not ruling directly. A majority also rule through their elected representatives. A majority also rule through their elected representatives. And in democracy what happens? It is necessary because in modern democracy many people are there. What happens? In modern democracy many people are there and it is not possible, physically it is impossible all together they can sit and take a decision. Physically it is impossible all together can sit and take the collective decision. After all, sometimes what happens, even if they could do, but the citizen do not ready. Citizen is not ready. Citizen do not have time, skill, or either they are not interested in taking the part in all the decisions. So this is very important that they are ruling through their elected representatives only. This clearly helps us to distinguish democracy from non-democracy. But this clearly allow us to see the distinguish democracy from non-democracies. But it does not allow us to distinguish democracy and a good democracy. It does not allow us to distinguish democracy and a good democracy. Sometimes we use democracy other than the government organizations. For some other organization than the government. Sometimes we use democracy like that. Suppose sometimes we say that we are a democratic family. Whenever there is a need to take any decision, we sit together and we take a decision. And my decision or what I am saying is also get favors compared to my father. What I am saying is also important as compared to my father. So all are getting equal chance to say for the decision. Like that, sometimes the student in the class said that I don't like the teachers who don't allow the students to speak and ask questions. Sometimes the students are also saying, why they are saying? Because the students are saying that the student is saying that I would like to have teachers with democratic temperament, Sometimes what happens, one party and his full family is working together for the benefit of the party, for taking any decision for the party. So finally in all these three things, what is the conclusion and what came? That main thing is decision taking. So in democracy, what the decision involves the conclusion with, consultation with and the consent of. In democracy, whenever the decision is taken, the decision involves consultation with and the consent of all the people who are affected by that decision. And those who are not powerful have the same say in taking the decision as those who are powerful. So person is the powerful or less powerful, person is having more power or less power, but the person can say and take part in the decision. Person can say something and can take part in the decision. So now from this what we can say, that democracy can apply to many spheres of life. Now, sometimes we use the word democracy not to describe any government. Sometimes we use the word democracy not to describe any government, but to set up the standard that mostly all the democracies must gain. To set up the standard, mostly all the democracies must gain. Now, in that, what happens? Sometimes somebody will say that the country will get democracy only when no one goes hungry to bed. Means, what is the meaning? That in country democracy will be there when all will get the proper food. Afterwards, on the democracy, all the people are having equal right to take part in the decision making. All people get the equal right to take part in the decision making. So for that, it just not for that, we don't need just the equal right to vote. For this, we don't need just the equal right to vote, but every citizen needs the proper information, basic education, resources, and after all, the main thing, a lot of commitment. These things should be there for the democracy also. So again, the same thing we can say that democracy can apply to many spheres of life. Again, the same thing we can say that democracy can apply to many spheres of life. The most common form of democracy in today's world is rule through people's elected representatives. Rule through people's elected representatives is the most common form of government in today's world. See, now we can see that no country is a perfect democracy. No country is a perfect democracy. And what happens that, see, what we do as a citizen can make a difference to making our country more or less democratic. See, as a citizen, what we are doing also makes the country democratic, and it makes the ratio of more or less democratic country. So what we are doing, that is also very important. What we do as a citizen is the strength and weakness of the democracy. This is the strength and weakness of the democracy. The fate of the country depends not only just on the what the ruler is doing. The fate of the country not depend only on what the ruler is doing, but mainly on what we do as a citizen. Mainly on what we do as a citizen. Now, this is what distinguishes democracy from other government. This is made the democracy different from the other government. In fact, mostly in the non-democratic government, they wish people do not take active part in the politics. Non-democratic government, what they wish, people do not take active part in the politics. But in democracy, the active participation of the people is necessary. In democracy, the active participation of the people is necessary in the democracy. Thank you.